Hi, Sagittarius. Welcome to my channel and welcome to your 3-card reading. This is a reading of extracting relevant information. Information that you need to know right now. Hopefully we'll get some good advice. Some useful messages from the cards. It is a general reading, it is timeless, so whenever you come across this, there will be a message here. There will be something that resonates with you or for you. Okay. Sagittarius. 10 of water. 10 of emotions. There's heart. Messages coming down into your crown chakra from the universe. How to open your heart, how to be receptive to love. Wisdom and knowledge. Patience. Your third eye also wide open. Receiving messages from your inner voice, your own guiding light, your higher self, high awareness. We can see expanding consciousness here in the ocean, ocean of emotions. Step by step, the layers will be peeled back. The layers that are impeding your heart, your feelings. It's the end of an old cycle, beginning of a new cycle. It is a number 10 here. So it's a new chapter, a new dawn, new day. You are very guarded when it comes to your heart, when it comes to your emotions, when it comes to your feelings. But this is going to show you how to be more open without being more vulnerable. Because your heart does need protection. All our hearts need protection. So you are embodying the spirit of the Queen of Pentacles right now. Sagittarius, the Queen of Earth. You're very much working with your earth element, even though you are a fire sign. And you're trying to stay in control by staying grounded, connecting to nature, finding that stability and balance, solidity, safety and security. Most of all in Mother Nature. Connecting, being outdoors, gardening, walking, contemplating, enjoying nature, enjoying the changes that are happening in nature, enjoying the growth. That's the sort of growth that you want for yourself. The way this grass is growing straight up. You want that to embody your ideals. You want to move forward in a straight line, but nothing is as it seems. Sometimes we cannot go in a straight line. We have to bend and weave, we have to be adaptable and see what opportunities are arising. And sometimes we have to go with the flow. So this is also a new era for you of going with the flow. Something that you may not be entirely used to, because you like to be in control, you like to make your decisions there and then. You want to move forward fast and bring your ideas into reality as quickly as you can. But the Divine wants to give you this message. Healing your emotions, balancing your emotions, finding that inner harmony, that understanding of the connection of the mind, body, spirit. Physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, everything is connected within you and without you. So finding that inner freedom, that is so valued by the Sagittarius. It's going to be a bit of a winding road right now, but a very interesting one. You seem to have a lot of support from this King of Swords. I take the genders, of course, as they resonate. This could be a king, this can be a queen. Queen is working with her masculine abilities, the king who's working with the feminine abilities. This King of Swords wants to protect you. Look, the pentacle. Well, it's not quite a pentacle, but it's a sword that looks like a, reminds us of a pentacle. So, and it seems to be a very protective character. They themselves are very protected. They're very sharp and clear of vision. They're wielding that sort of clarity and truth, honesty, transparency, and higher communication with confidence and self-worth, but also self-control, self-belief. They believe in themselves, just as you believe in yourself. They're there in the background if you need them. That's what the message is. So whether that is a love connection, whether that's a family connection, friends, work colleagues, it is a significant person in your realm of reality. They are actually there somewhere. In what capacity? That's open. Depends, will be different for most of you out there. But they're there in a supportive role. They're there to help you. When there's a decision to be made, you may want to discuss it with them. Get their opinion, get their point of view. That seems to be very valuable to you. They know that you're someone who does want to retreat now and again, especially right now. You're going through a phase. You may want to retreat in meditation, in nature. Get away from it all, because your heart, there's things happening in your emotional body. That's very important. Layers are being peeled back. And you will be divinely protected during this period, and this is one person sent to you by the Divine to help you, to guide you, to guard you, maybe show you a different direction, maybe clarify some things. Just a complementary influence, someone who has your back. Perhaps you wish you could spend more time with them. But at the moment, it's a new day, it's a new dawn. How you express your emotions. You're working, you're doing some shadow work. But it's not about inner fears, it's not about insecurities, it's not about anxiety. It's about being more open with your heart. Perhaps they want to come in a bit closer and they're unable to do so right now. So perhaps that is part of what you're working on. So it's an ongoing situation, but you have support, someone has your back. Things are changing. And it's going to be a journey of self-discovery. So, Sagittarius, it's been a pleasure reading for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next reading. Until then, take very good care. Bye-bye.